Hello, I'm sorry. Can you explain more about the new rules for Lamia? Maapektuhan kaya ang international students? Dun sa rule na kinlose yung low-wage stream for Lamia, hindi naman directly ito makaka-apekto sa international student. Pero, it's good to know kung paano in-approach yun ng IRCC. Kasi remember, anything could happen sa postgrad work permit. Kasi sabi, temporary foreign worker. So, they're looking into changing it, reducing it. So, hindi natin alam kung ganun din ba yung gagawin sa postgrad work permit. So, hopefully not, no? Pero it's good to know para makapagplano kayo ng mas maayos. Again, yung change doon was pertaining to unemployment rate. Di ba? Tinitignan na nila ngayon yun. If it's below 6%, ang unemployment rate